kamustahan natin ang birthday ng aking dalawang chikiting sa paglalaro. So ayun na nga po, bago kami na kumain ng birthday ng aking baby girl, ay dumaan muna kami sa World of Fun. So konting laro habang hinihintay namin yung mga kasama namin. So ayan na nga siya guys, nag-i-enjoy sila dyan. Siguro mga pagpupunta kami dyan, every punta namin nakakaubos kami ng 300 pesos para sa paglalaro lang ng mga bata.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
It's my life. Lazy, 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 lazy. It's my life. I got dirty, 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 dirty. It's my life. I wanna shop, 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 shopping. It's my life. I need money, 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 money. Yeah.
Sasabihin mo kay Lola? Anong sasabihin mo na kay Lola? Ano sasabihin?
Thank you, wala.
Ay, galing.
Ulit na, ulit.
Ayan na, yung happy birthday blow daw niya. O, kanta ate.
Happy birthday,
Earl.
Happy birthday,
Earl.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday,
Oh, blow na. Ay, very good.
Ay, may dumating po. Ayan. Ito po yung ano namin, yung order namin para sa gamit po sa bahay. Ganito po kami ng hobby ko pag may occasion or birthday ng isa sa amin. Kesa po sa ihahanda, bibili po kami ng gamit sa bahay. Ganon. So, ito pong dumating na to is surprise. Makikita niyo po mamaya kung ano po yan. So, ang tagal naman ibaba ni Kuya. Tara nga, silipin nga natin kung ano nang nangyayari. I-unboxing na po natin. Ayan po sila Kuya na din na nag-deliver ang mag-unbox. So, ano yan? Taran! Yes po, bumili po kami ng bagong kalam. Para po, kasi yung luma kong kalam, nag-uuling po siya, nakakasawa. Hanggang, magkakauling ka. Hindi mo naman pinaayong niluluto mo. Diyos ko po, Lord. Ayan siya, guys. So, habol din po namin dito is yung oven niya para po makakapag lechon belly tayo pag may okasyon. So, ayan siya. Ayan, guys. Ayan po, kinakabit nila yung paa yung tawag ko dyan, hindi ko kasi alam yung spoon. Kinakabit po nila para po, tatanggalin natin yung style na yun sa ilalim. Kasi marami kami mababait na alaga para hindi mag-snowy sa loob ng bahay. Ayun guys, 3 burner po yung napili namin. Medyo hassle lang po to pag malaki yung mga paglulutuan nyo kasi baka hindi magkasya. Pero carry na po. So, ayan po siya. Kinakakal na siya ni Habi. Tinitingnan kung ano. At saka guys, so ayan, may papaa ako ng manok at saka leeg. Yan, kinamay-kamay ko na bahala na po sila kung lasang kamay yan. Pampulutan po. So, eto, may alak na din. Dahil may pulutan, may paalak tayo. So, good luck sa mga iinom, guys. Isang box po yan. And, syempre, ang juice na ipapanimpla natin dyan is, nandyan din. Makikita nyo din. Ayan. So, good luck kung mauubos to ng mga iinom. Si Habi nga pala is hindi nakainom ng time na yun kasi, nagkasakit siya. Mismong birthday niya may sakit siya, guys. So, ayan na. Good luck!
It's my life. Lazy. It's my life. I got dirty. It's my life. I wanna shopping. It's my life. Money. Yeah. It's my life. Lazy. It's my life. I got dirty. It's my life.
yan mga kaibigan. So, good luck kung sinong mauunang malasing. Sa mga kabataan dyan, huwag niyo itong gagayahin ha. Mga matatanda na po ang umiinom at hindi pa po pwede ito sa inyo, ano. At kami po naman ay may mga uban na, kaya pwede na kaming uminom.
It's my life.